Hi, I'm Meeta Shetty and I manage the Tata Multicap Fund. Multicap as a category has a clear mandate. The fund is required to invest a minimum of 25% each in large caps, mid caps, and small caps at any point in time. The remaining 25% is at the discretion of the fund manager, subject to mutual fund regulations. In line with our current view, the portfolio is broadly balanced across large caps, mid caps, and small caps. Depending on prevailing market conditions, we have progressively increased our allocation to small caps over the recent quarters, and the fund is currently close to the maximum intended allocation in the small cap segment based on our current market view. Our overall investment approach is anchored in growth at reasonable price philosophy, also known as GARP. Within this, we aim to build a portfolio that blends three earning buckets. The first bucket focuses on earning stability, which are companies with predictable cash flows and sustainable business models. The second bucket focuses on earnings upgrades, where we seek businesses undergoing cyclical recovery with visible earnings improvement over the next 12 to 18 months. The third bucket focuses on earnings turnaround, which are businesses with a longer 18 to 36 month recovery horizon, offering the potential for meaningful re-rating. My approach for constructing the fund is to have at least half the proportion in the first bucket, basically the less volatile business, which I call as compounders. And the second half of my fund is into companies which are seeing either earnings upgrades or earnings turnaround, which I call as alpha. Over the past few months, we have undertaken calibrated portfolio adjustments in line with our view. We have taken selective new entries across power, financial services, consumer discretionary, and automobile. We have also exited or remained underweight in sectors like construction, cement, oil, and gas. We have gradually moved to an underweight position on information technology, given the diminishing potential growth outlook in the near term. The idea has been to trim low cash flow or low growth businesses and increase exposure to fundamentally strong companies with sustainable cash flows and visible growth. On sectors where we have remained overweight are healthcare and services, automobile and auto components, power, and textiles. The fund has benefited from the changes implemented over the recent one-year period. Looking ahead, we remain constructive on India's medium to long-term growth prospects. Consensus estimates expect earnings growth over the next 2 financial years. While the market may remain range-bound in the short term due to the AI-led euphoria in the global markets and the geopolitical developments, long-term investors may find potential opportunities in India backed by strong structural fundamentals. The Tata Multicap Fund could be a suitable option for investors seeking diversified equity exposure across market caps with a medium to long-term view. You can explore how this fund could fit into your overall equity allocation. Thanks for watching. Stay invested.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.